And so, for example, a baby in the first 6 months or year of its life might be just finding how nature is patterned. What happens when you let go of your milk bottle and fall to the ground? Gosh, let's do it again. Gosh, it still goes on. And that's the way we learn about causation. So that was the first very important thing that he said. The second very important thing was that there's a sense in which causation doesn't hit the eye in the same way that, for example, colours do, or shapes, or sounds in the ear. We see what does happen, but we don't see that one event must cause another one to happen. Causation has this sort of must happen. You really know that if you kick that table, the table has to fall over. If you throw the baseball through the window will break, it must break. And it's that aspect of necessity which Hume thought was very, very important to causation, but which isn't given to the senses. We see the window break, we see it happen again and again, we get very used to it, but we don't see that the window must break. Hume derived from this the idea that actually the must is something that we impose. So causation is very much our own kind of mind, reading its own kind of habits or customs into the world. So, for example, if I see a cricket ball approaching a window, I expect the window to break. Sorry, cricket ball, a baseball. I expect the window to break. I'm certain the window is going to break. If I see a bus bearing down on something, I expect there to be a horrible accident. I can't do anything about that. That's a habit of inference which is set in my mind. And Hume thought we sort of project that inexorability onto events. So we see events as if they're connected by these necessities. But the necessity lies in ourselves rather than in the events. So Hume's conception of the world then becomes one of a very atomistic conception, in the sense that it's just events, individual events, one happening after another, and us imposing a causal order on what we see or hear or